Historics. The information used in flight monitoring is actually used by the historics part of OneAlpha to make sure the flight was operated, and to determine whether the historic is granted or not granted. This is an interactive screen, and it's actually quite easy to use. You can see, for example, this flight here. It's operated every single day of the series. So as a result, the historics will be granted for that flight. And you can see the utilization is sitting at 100% here. This flight down the bottom here, you can see it's consistently not operated or operated off schedule. And as a result, it's unlikely to be able to retain historic for the next year.